Fire in my roots glows brighter, fills my body, and drips from my fingertips like honey. Lined scaffold flowers bloom beneath me, petaling softly against my skin. You drink arrows by the airful and unravel the concurrent cacophony that escapes from your arid tongue. The eluding conclusion to escape the illusion. The explosion that exudes and seeps into bone matter. The lofty daydreams that welcome you with open arms, unafraid to step into the light with bare skin, and unwrap yourself spool by spool. You are light pouring through satin, hung jauntily on the line. You cut through chords, unchiseled board, cherish thoughts with a warped mind. You erase daggers by catching them by mouth. You do the unthinkable by thinking of it. You are a thin layer expanded into the entirety of eternity. Run and play, but don't forget to stop and listen. You can look everywhere and see nothing. By looking nowhere, all is revealed. Generously escaping your flesh shackles, roll in the tides of your mind and massage the captivities that relish the crevices of your plot line. Tip honesty with virtue. Cherish the terror that led you to this moment. Unencumbered, you drop fear like breadcrumbs for your past selves. They follow like tortoises grazing, leading you to pan for gold in the rivers of solitude. The light has a funny way of terrorizing the darkness, though essentially the same. Spread ashes constantly, for death cherishes birth. On and on, the flame licks air, glistening errantly, return here, again and again. Fear is poison for the body. There are moments where you sip delicately, venom from the fangs of duality. Other times, you guzzle, choke, as if fear is your only sustenance. Why must you torture yourself? Beyond the pile of burning, battered bones, beyond the bridges burnt, don't look back. The world is only black and white to those who ignore the principle of coexistence. Make friends with your shadow and unlock a whole spectrum of hues. Some feelings are in red, studded with thorns. Some dance delicately on tall, thin legs, whipped by the wind, neither here nor there. One screams for protection. The other flutters unfeathered. The roots dig into the ground and find a sense of connectedness with life.